there, I'm Rob from Harmony Music, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can add more personality into your guitar playing. The best thing about guitar is that no two guitar players play exactly the same way. You can have two guitar players playing exactly the same thing, but it would still sound very different because each guitar player has their own unique style and their own unique way of controlling the strings and all that sort of thing. And one of the best ways of adding your own unique touch to the guitar is by using something called vibrato. And all that means is that when you play some notes on the guitar, you vibrate those strings ever so slightly, which is going to oscillate the notes, which is going to kind of pull them in and out of pitch, but that's going to create a really unique and cool sound when you play those notes. Because without that, while someone might be playing all of the right notes, they're not really adding any character or life into their playing, so things just sound a little bit flat and dull in my opinion. So it's well worth adding that into your playing if you've never done it before. So let me demonstrate quickly. I'm going to play something without any vibrato on the guitar, a nice simple series of notes, and then I'll play the same thing again, but I will add the vibrato, I will vibrate the strings and add my own personal unique touch to those notes. So here it is without any vibrato, nice and simple. So I'm going to play 5-7 on the 4th string, 5-7 on the 3rd string, back to 5 on the 3rd string, and then 7-5-7 on the 4th string. So all together, sounds like this. So a nice simple series of notes, but in my opinion, not very special. They don't sound too amazing really, because there's no character and there's no life being added to them. So let me do it again. Especially those notes that I'm holding a little bit longer on and lingering on for a little while. There's not really anything about them which is making them sound special. So let me play the same thing again, but this time around I'm going to vibrate those notes. I'm going to pull the strings a little bit and make them sound a bit more interesting, like this. So in my opinion, that second one definitely sounds better. It's got a lot more of my personal character and playing style to it. So let me demonstrate again without any vibrato. And here it is with the vibrato. Hopefully now you agree that those notes that we played at first just sound a little bit dead, a little bit dull and lifeless. So that's definitely something that every guitar player should be doing to try and add more of their own characteristics to their playing. So let's just have a quick look at the vibrato itself and how we actually do that. So let's just say I'm going to play the 7th fret of the 3rd string like this. And I'm going to use that note to do a little bit of vibrato on. So all I'm going to do is play the note and just pull on the string downwards and then let it go back up again and then bring it down again and just repeat that process like this. But it's a little bit strange to do it that slowly, so I'm going to try and speed it up a little bit and make it sound a bit more interesting, like this. Also, you might have noticed that I didn't just use one finger. Even though I was playing one note, I actually used 3 fingers on the same string. So I'm using my 3rd finger to play the note, but I've got my 2nd finger and 1st finger also on the same string just behind it to assist and help give me a little bit more control of that string. Because the more control, the better. I mean, I could do it with just my 3rd finger, but A, that looks weird, and B, it feels weird. It's a little bit less control and I want more control. So that's why I use multiple fingers, but it doesn't have to be that way all of the time. Like if I wanted to play a note with my 1st finger, let's just say the 5th fret, I can just use just that finger because I've got a good swing there with my wrist to get that note. I can kind of just twist my wrist a little bit, which is going to pull the string just enough to get a good vibrato on. So if you're just starting out to play some more melodies and riffs and leads and maybe even some guitar solo type things, it will definitely take you to that next step and make it sound a lot better and a lot more interesting. So grab your guitar and just try and play some different notes on different strings and just experiment with different forms of vibrato. Mix it up a little bit, try it with different notes, try different styles, different speeds, all that sort of thing, but make sure you add some vibrato into your playing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. And hopefully we'll see you next time.